Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Neo Artifacts game crashing or not opening, not launching, keep stopping, not working, or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. The very first method, what I suggest is to restart your phone once. This is an important step and it fixes any type of glitches that is leading to such kind of issue. So simply press the volume up plus power button and click on restart. The restart process may differ from phone to phone. So once your phone restarts, now launch the game and then check. If the game still shows the same error, you are suggested to force stop the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If the issue continues, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. After that, go back and launch the game once again. If the issue again continues, you are suggested to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Neo Artifacts, and after that, here you have to check if the game needs any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If the issue continues, you should check if your internet connection is stable or not. Most of the time, if internet is not stable, you can come across such kind of issues and you cannot play the game. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating, and after that try to launch the game and check. If you cannot find the game or cannot install the game, you can also install a VPN so that the installation of the game is easy. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option here, you have to search for VPN and you will get lots of apps available over here. Select any one of them, install it. After installing it, log into it, change the location, and after that search for the game and install it, and then try to play the game and check if this works. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game once. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. After the game is removed from your phone, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and after that click on the install option, and after installing the game, click on it and check whether the game is launching or not, or opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.